In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track carpooling in Airtable. We'll set up a simple, reliable way to log drivers, riders, dates, and routes so you can coordinate rides at a glance. The whole process uses Airtable's built-in Omni Builder to generate a ready-to-use table with minimal effort. Start by heading to airtable.com in your browser. Once you're in your workspace, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a Create button. This is where new bases, apps, and solutions begin. Click Create to open the options panel. From there, choose Build an app with Omni. Omni is Airtable's AI-powered builder that can scaffold tables and interfaces from plain language prompts. Using it here saves time and ensures your structure is clean and consistent. You'll see a prompt box where you can describe what you want. Type exactly. Create a simple carpool tracking table. Keep it short and clear, just like that. This phrasing tells Omni to focus on a single table, ideal for logging rides without unnecessary complexity. If you're wondering what Omni does with your prompt, it translates your description into fields, field types, and sometimes pre-filled examples that match common use cases. Now click Build It. Airtable will think for a moment and then generate your carpool tracking table. When the table appears, take a moment to scan the fields Omni created. You can expect practical columns like names for drivers and riders, dates and times of rides, pickup and drop-off locations, seat availability, and a notes or status field. These fields are designed to answer the most common questions quickly: who's driving, who needs a seat, when and where the ride happens, and any constraints or special details. A few tips as you review the result. Make sure date fields are set to the correct date and time format for your region, so sorting and filtering work as expected. If you see a single select field for status, consider values like planned, confirmed, and completed. Consistent labels make it much easier to track progress over time. For locations, a single text field is fine to start. Later on, you can standardize addresses for better filtering. If a driver or rider field is a simple text field, that's okay for now. Omni often starts simple, so you can add relationships only when you need them. That's it. With a single prompt and a click, you've created a streamlined carpool tracker. Use it to add rides, scan availability, and keep everyone aligned. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Airtable-powered carpool workflow.